Hello students. In the previous video, we have seen what will be the arithmetic mean of a two given numbers, and in this video, we are going to discuss how to insert n arithmetic means between the two given numbers. So, if suppose the a and b are the given numbers, and a comma a1 comma a2 so on up to an comma b are in AP, then the terms between a and b, which are a1 comma a2 comma a3 so on up to an, will be called the n arithmetic means between a and b. So this means that we need to insert n terms between a and b such that all the terms including a and b will form an arithmetic progression. And a1 will be given by a plus b minus a by n plus 1, and a2 will be given by a plus 2 into b minus a by n plus 1, and an will be given by a plus n into b minus a by n plus 1. We can prove this using the property of arithmetic progression that a comma a1 comma a2 comma so on up to an comma b are in AP. Whenever a given series is in AP, that means the difference between the consecutive numbers will be equal to common difference. So suppose take the common difference equal to d, then the second term will be equal to a plus d, comma the third term a2 will be equal to a plus 2d, comma so on up to an will be equal to a plus n into d. Now the next term, which is b, that will be the last term, so that should be equal to an plus d, which will be equal to a plus n into d plus d. So we'll have b equal to a plus n plus 1 into d. Now when you take a to the other hand side, we'll have b minus a equal to n plus 1 into d. Now when you divide with n plus 1 on both sides, then we'll get that the common difference will be equal to b minus a by n plus 1. So using this, we can write that a1 equal to a plus d, that will be equal to a plus b minus a by n plus 1, and a2 will be equal to a plus 2d, that will be equal to a plus 2 times b minus a by n plus 1. Similarly, an will be equal to a plus n into b minus a by n plus 1. When we have the values of a and b, then we can insert an arithmetic means between them using this formula. We can try to see a few examples. Suppose take a equal to 4 and b equal to 12. Let's insert 7 arithmetic means between a and b. Then the second term a1 will be equal to a plus b minus a by n plus 1 using the formula. We know that b minus a by n plus 1 will be present in all the terms a1, a2, so on up to an. That means all the arithmetic means. So first let's find b minus a by n plus 1 value, which will be equal to 12 minus 4 by 7 plus 1. That will be given by 8 by 8, which is equal to 1. Now a1 will be equal to a value of a is 4 plus b minus a by n plus 1 is 1. So this will be given by 5. Now value of a2 will be equal to a plus 2 times b minus a by n plus 1. So this will be equal to 4 plus 2 times b minus a by n plus 1 is 1, which will be equal to 4 plus 2, that is equal to 6. Similarly, a3 will be equal to a plus 3 times b minus a by n plus 1, which will be given by 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7. So here you can see that a1, a2, a3 which are given by 5, 6, 7. So those are consecutive natural numbers. So we can write that the arithmetic means between 4, the 7 arithmetic means between 4 and 12 are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and last term will be the value of b, which is 12. Now these are the 7 arithmetic means between 4 and 12. Now here you can see that when you insert these 7 arithmetic means between 4 and 12, all the terms including 4 and 12 form an arithmetic progression with common difference equal to 1. Hope you understood well. Thank you.